Hello and welcome to Michael Pepper Tech. Today I'm going to talk about the LG Velvet, which LG sent out to me and I've been using for the past 3 days. I have the silver case here, and as far as the color of the device, you can kind of see there it matches as well. And so let's get into it. First off, a couple issues. The button placement there makes it a little awkward when you have it in the dual screen opened up and go to use the buttons, kind of having to reach around funky there. And when it's tipped up in like a tent mode, same kind of deal. It's kind of awkward to reach those buttons. So I wish they would have put the buttons on the right hand side, maybe the power button on the top. Other issues is it's a little difficult to get out of the case. You kind of have to get the second screen folded just right and push back here. So it pops out there and then pops out on the other side. Also, I wish that when they folded it back, that they would have made it so it would rotate in the middle of the hinge, perhaps like right here, make it rotate around. So when it folded back, the screen wasn't revealed to the other side. Since there's not really a good use for it, they won't let you put the camera on there, so it's not like you can use the selfie cam as another camera that you'd want to. And other issues have mainly been software. So I use Nova Launcher, which looks like the stock launcher there, but they require and only support, as far as Nova Launcher, only working on one display. And the way LG treats this is treats it like two separate displays, so you don't get that option. But now that we've kind of gotten into things that I don't care for, oh, one last thing. There's no LG settings for 5G. LG doesn't have anything in the settings to be able to turn it off or force it to LTE, things like that, at least that I could find. But let's get into things that I do like. Let's say I want to watch the latest videos that are going on, and I want to surf Twitter at the same time, or I want to live tweet an event that's going on. I can do that side by side like this. Or let's say, make sure the volume's turned down. I am watching a video on one display. I can have Twitter open on the other and be tweeting about this YouTube video that I'm watching, or watching an NBA game or NFL or whatever particular event or sport you like to watch on one and tweeting about it on the other. The other thing is LG's keyboard here, get into it real quick, normally looks like that. If I rotate sideways, it pops up on the second screen, and I can use it kind of like one of those flip phones from back in the day where you had the slide-out keyboard that slid down to the bottom, or it could flip as well, and you could type on one and see what you're doing on the other. So it's really handy for that. Also, there is a handwriting mode in LG's keyboard, but third-party keyboards do not support that. Also, one bit of an issue, and go check out Juan Bagnell's video on this, is Netflix. When you are playing on one display and have an app open on the other, and go to interact with the other app, Netflix will pause until you play it again. That's another issue. That's an issue with Netflix software, though. But apart from that, I've been really enjoying the experience. I like that I can have a video playing, and let's say I'm enjoying this video and I just want to set the device down. Tent mode. You can also have the main display mirrored on the second display, so I could have it sitting here and sitting down between me, and let's say you're sitting across from me and I want to show you the same thing. Also, LG has included Wacom Pen Support on both displays, so you can pick up the Wacom stylus for $50 at Amazon, Best Buy, your place of choice, and be good to go with that. So anyways, those are just kind of my initial impressions, hey, these are things that I've noticed that I didn't like, and the ways that I use it, and the things that I do like. And for more in-depth review, stay tuned. And also, if you are curious how it holds up against things like Samsung Galaxy Fold, stay tuned for that video as well. And as always, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, turn on the notifications, set it to all so you're notified. And also make sure you check out my live channel as well, where I go live once a week, at least once a week. And thank you for watching, as always, and have a good day, and God bless.